Well, hello folks, just popping in to tell you about this really cool new toy that I got. It's the GL1 overhead storage lift from FLEXIMOUNTS. It's got a 300-pound capacity, which is great because this project, which I knew was going to be big, has gotten bigger than I thought it was going to be, if that's even possible. And I've got stuff everywhere. When we pull the engine out, paraphernalia and extras had to come out as well. So they're all over the place. I got a big workbench over there with the drive shaft on it. I've got my motorcycle here. I've got my parts cleaner with a radiator. I've got the transmission over there. I've got the oil pan and brackets and fans and coolers, and I got my hoist over here. Long story short, I'm running out of room. What better place to put something than up, out of the way? And that's what this does. It's great. Like I said, 300-pound capacity if you load it properly. So I'm gonna get a lot of this stuff out of my way, and that's gonna be so handy. It's gonna free up a lot of space. If you're like me, if things start to get cluttered, it's easy to convince yourself like, I'll just put some more stuff over here, it'll be fine. And before you know it, you have a clutter monster that's taking over your entire garage. I don't even have the car in here right now. It's out on the driveway, and I'm still, let's face it, I'm still limited on space. So this is gonna be great. FLEXIMOUNTS makes a whole bunch of other good stuff. They've got a static rack that sits up. You can mount it to the wall, sits up high. They've got some other floating shelving and some regular standard shelving. So if that's something you need, go ahead and click on the link that's in the description down below and get yourself something good. Now let's show you how this thing works.